Hey, my name is Alex, and it is my job to help you with your next home improvement project. Today, we are going to be giving this homeowner a new backsplash. A backsplash is the easiest way to give your kitchen a dramatic upgrade without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking to learn how to tile and, save some money by doing it yourself, then this is the place for you. Once you remove all the old tiles, you'll want to measure the space where you'll be installing the new tiles. Give yourself another 5 to 10% with your order, just for those cuts and breaks. Make sure to cut off the power supply before pulling away any electrical outlets from the wall. Now, if you're not comfortable around electrical, that's okay. Just call an electrician. Let's get ready to tile. We're gonna be using a 3x6 subway tile in a classic offset pattern to update this kitchen. You'll wanna go ahead and dry lay a few tiles just to ensure you don't end up with any awkward slivers. The most intimidating part of this project is going to be the cutting, and you'll most likely encounter a couple different types of cuts. The most common is a simple straight cut. You can use a tile cutter to score the tile and break it into 2 pieces. You'll also encounter more complex cuts, like a corner cut or a 3-sided cutout. Now, if you have experience using a table saw, you will be good to go with a wet saw. You'll also likely need a grinder with a cut-off tile blade, a pair of tile nippers, and a tile file for those relief cuts and edges. So get yourself a bucket of pre-mixed adhesive and a trowel, and it's as simple as scooping it out and spreading it on the wall. Lay it on and run it off. Less is more here. For leveling, use a laser level across that first row. You'll want to position the laser slightly above the lowest tile. Now, if there is some overlap with the laser on the tile, that's okay. You can just grind it off the bottom. Remember, you'll be adding caulking against the counter, so no one will see it. Start placing a few rows of tile in place with the approximate spacing. Add the spacers around each tile and nudge them into place while the adhesive is still wet. Now that you got the hang of it, go ahead and complete a section at a time. Wow, take a step back and look at what you did today. Just make sure you wipe off any excess adhesive off the front of the tiles, adjust anything that seems out of place, and then let it set for 24 to 48 hours. Once the adhesive is dry, remove the spacers from the wall and wipe clean again. Now we get to grout. We've chosen a light gray pre-mixed grout for this project. Start applying the grout to the walls with a float. With the float at an angle, spread the grout into the spaces, filling all the gaps. Wipe away any excess grout. Once you've grouted the entire backsplash area, you need to wash the tiles with a wet, but not saturated, clean water sponge. Use circular motions to clean off as much grout residue as you can. And now, let the grout set for 24 hours. To set yourself up for a clean line of caulking, add tape to the counter and the wall. Let it set and carefully remove the tape. That's it. Your backsplash looks great. And the best part is when your neighbors come over and ask you who did it, you can say you did. We'll see you next time.